TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Monday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. And we have a pretty calm market out there so far. S&P's negative by 4 points, trading at 29.76. Dow Jones positive by 27 points, trading 26,825. NASDAQ leading the way on the way down, negative 25 points at 8,077. We've got some negative action in gold off $4 at 15.11. Had been a little bit lower than that. Notes and bonds, lower price and higher yield. The 10-year negative 15 ticks at 130.29. The 30-year negative a full point and 13 ticks at 163.03. And dollar with some weakness. Dollar index off 195 ticks at 97.730. We'll start things off. Let's jump over the indices. We'll start it off with the Dow. And as you can see, we got a high point in the day, about 11 a.m. Eastern time, as Tom and I got off the air for our program. You have the Dow trading 26,907. We trade down more than about 100 points just till 12:35, and from there we're up at 26,829. NASDAQ 100, pretty similar story. There's 11 a.m. You trade from 11 a.m. until 12:45, a low at 78.05. Currently trading at 78.29, the NASDAQ 100. S&P's reaching a low of 29.70. That's all the way from a high of almost 29.92. So you're talking about 22 S&P points from 9:10 a.m. this morning down to a low of 12.35 this afternoon. Crude oil bouncing to a high today of $58.15. Looking at October crude, you currently have the gold contract at $15.10. We did have a low at $15.05.90 in that gold contract, and the euro-US dollar trade at 110.57. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, jumping over to some of the deals, AT&T, in terms of a $3.2 billion stake from Elliott Management, Paul Singer, and that shares, they had been up more. There is AT&T. Let's zoom it in. And it's interesting that we're now only up 2.62%. Jumping back to the headline, 7% was the number it was at early this morning. So AT&T pairing some of those gains after the investment of Paul Singer's hedge fund revealed. And also Chipotle Grill getting an upgrade. Chipotle Mexican Grill, and kind of similar action in terms of it was all the way up to $857.90. That's an all-time high for Chipotle. And just like that, more than $12 now off that high at $845.98. Stay tuned, folks. We're going to man Steve Rhodes coming up live from 1 till 2. Dave White live at 2 o'clock. Tom O'Brien live at 3. Stay tuned, folks. Have a great Monday.